They say money doesn't grow on trees, but what if I told you that's a lie? Most people work 40 years just to retire broke. What if you could make money while you sleep? Today, I'm revealing 7 passive income ideas that made me $67,000 per week. Passive income means making money without trading time for it. Unlike a job, it keeps earning even when you stop working. Let's dive into the best ways to build yours. Passive income idea number 1, stocks. Investing in stocks is a classic passive income strategy. But here's the truth, it's not instant. The key? Dividend stocks and long-term investing. The longer you hold, the more you earn through compound growth. And if you reinvest dividends, your money multiplies over time. Passive income idea number 2, digital products. Imagine making money from a single file, again and again. Selling ebooks, templates, or online courses takes effort up front but can pay off for years. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Teachable let you turn knowledge into cash with minimal overhead. Passive income idea number 3, online content. Making videos, blogging, or podcasting lets you earn from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. The best part? You only need one viral post to start. YouTube, Medium, and even TikTok have made it easier than ever to get paid for your creativity. Passive income idea number 4, affiliate marketing. Recommend a product once, and get paid every time someone buys. Amazon, ClickBank, and Shopify offer huge commissions. Whether you write blogs, post on Instagram, or make YouTube videos, affiliate marketing can generate passive income with zero product creation. Passive income idea number 5, real estate. Rental properties create steady income, especially with Airbnb. Don't have cash? Start with rental arbitrage, rent a property and sublet it, or invest in real estate crowdfunding platforms to start earning from day one. Passive income idea number 6, print on demand. No inventory? No problem. Upload a design, and a company prints and ships it for you, effortless income. Services like Printify and Printful handle everything while you collect the profits. Passive income idea number 7, automated businesses. Want to go big? Build a dropshipping store, automate social media, or even create a subscription business. The key? Systems, not hard work. With automation tools and outsourced fulfillment, you can run a business with minimal daily involvement. Now you have 7 passive income ideas. Which one will you start?